My mom just got this Lift for Mac, which is the Ergo series by Logitech, which is a vertical ergonomic mouse. This apparently uses 54% recycled plastic. This right here is a largely an Apple device one, as it requires iPadOS 14 or later, macOS 10.15 Catalina or later. It has 24-month battery life, 4 customizable buttons, and flow across computers. And right here it advertises how it has natural handshake position for day-long comfort. A great fit for small and medium hands. It's optimized for macOS and compatible with iPad. It has whisper quiet clicks, and it has a scroll line by line or fly through pages at a time. So if I were to do, let's go ahead and let's unbox this. And right here is just some basic documentation, and I can see it. And right here, they're just going to show you how it's logitechsupport.com/lift. And right here, here's the actual mouse, which is definitely, and right here you have lift here open because this does use a traditional non-rechargeable battery. Okay, cool. This is already on, as you can tell. And this is obviously optimized for right-handed use. I reviewed a cheaper version of this type of mouse on this channel 4 years ago. I'll link that video in the description. But one thing I don't like about this kind of mice is just that it feels a little bit weird to me because it's easy. I mean, it is easy to click the buttons, but at the same time, it's a little bit too easy. But that is really all I have to say about this mouse. So as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and as always, peace out.